Frustrated with blurry photos and videos from your Galaxy S23 camera not focusing properly? The advanced cameras on the S23 rely on complex components for automatic focusing. Malfunctions can disrupt focusing, but are usually fixable through troubleshooting. Before we continue, please take a moment to like our video or share it with your friends who may be having issues with their devices. It would be a great help to us. Now let's get started with our tips. Clean the camera lens. Cleaning the lens of your S23 camera is important to ensure that it is able to focus properly and capture clear images. Using a microfiber cloth is a gentle and effective way to remove any oil, smudges, or particles that might be blocking the lens. It's important to avoid using harsh cleaners, as these can damage the lens or leave a residue that could affect image quality. Simply apply gentle pressure and wipe the lens in a circular motion until it is clean and clear. Adjust the camera settings. The S23's camera settings can be adjusted to improve focus. For example, you could try changing the autofocus modes or resetting the focus by tapping the screen. Another option is to use the focus enhancer feature, which can help enhance the focus in your photos. Update the software. Updating your device's software can bring improvements to the camera app by optimizing its performance and enhancing the focusing functions and processing capabilities of the system. To update software, go to Settings, and then tap Software Update on your S23. Tap Download and Install to get pending updates. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. After updating, check if the camera focusing is improved. Reset the camera app. When you wipe the app data, you essentially reset the camera's settings and preferences to their default state. This can help resolve any issues with the camera's focus or other glitches that may be hindering its performance. It's a good troubleshooting step to try if you're experiencing any problems with your camera. To reset app data, navigate to Settings, then select Apps, choose Camera, and finally tap on Storage. Tap Clear Data and Clear Cache to wipe them. Reopen the camera app and check if focusing works properly. With extensive software troubleshooting using these steps, you should be able to resolve most Galaxy S23 camera focus issues arising from an app or system problems. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.